In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add debit credit card on Amazon account. So just go ahead and open your Amazon account. And on the bottom menu, just go ahead and tap the person icon. In here, you just have to scroll it down. And under payments, go ahead and click on your payments. In here, you'll be notified that you can add a debit or credit card to save time when you check out. So just go ahead and set up your debit and credit card. But if you can't find this notification, just go back and then you will see here the add a payment method under cards and account. Just go ahead and tap that one. In here, you just have to fill out all the forms and then add your debit or credit card. So that's it. That's how to add debit credit card on Amazon account. I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.